I'm wondering what you think of this design I've picked out. First, let me explain. This is super ugly. The door, I can switch that out. That's a 30-inch door. I want a 36 at least. Probably a double door if I could find that. But less important, that does let in natural sunlight. So I don't want to lose that. That one there is going to have a different design. And this is the overall look. Okay, so let's have a look at my idea. So here's what we have. And that looks ugly. Actually, look like this. So my thinking is something that would look like this. Imagine some wood off the sawmill. Now, I don't want to go too far out, but I do want to go out some. On this side only. Bad drawing. Right like that. There'll be a little tiny metal foot right there so that air can travel underneath. And this okay, here's what I'm thinking. So here's our door, and here we'll put natural wood off the sawmill. These will be these little pillars, maybe 6 inches out, 8 inches out. 8 inches is probably good. On this side, it'll come out 18 inches. Maybe something unusual like 20 inches. Same thing. This will probably be a black color. So we'll just imagine this black and this black here. Now my thinking is the natural, here's the building across here. Let me take another look up there. See? So natural sunlight comes in here. In here I can put a foil and that'll reflect more into there. This will all be capped against the, I'll run some aluminum across here so it'll be capped against the elements. This will be wood, probably stained black. Going with a black trim here. That's the old color up there. Now here's the thinking. I don't want this to come out too far because bad guys, they wear black hats. Bad guys could be hiding back here. I have people coming out of this door and I don't want them to constantly think that there could be someone there. In fact, I even thought of putting a little opening here because on the opening you could grow flowers. The other thing is on the inside of this, on the inside, there would be lighting. So at night, the lighting would come down like this. Kind of neat, huh? I don't believe this would cost me anything except for time. Time is actually an expensive thing. But all this would be off the sawmill. This may look like 30 inches like this door, but really I'm thinking like 18 inches. I don't want this to be an element that needs a building permit or anything like that. So basically we come out here, maybe even just 4 or 5 inches wide. Actually, I'm going to stop it right here. This side is shallow, and this side would be deep, maybe to here. What do you think? That would hide that ugliness up there. It would allow the natural light to come in, And then this whole face would be done with wood. I think maybe even stain the wood. I was going to stain it black, but could leave it natural for a few years, and then when it discolors, start staining it to brown, and then eventually go to black. So let me know what you think. This is a one take video. Hopefully I didn't keep you too long, and hopefully my drawing here kind of explains what I was thinking. Don't these lights look nice here? Oh. Solar, of course, right? Because you got the solar, you don't have to turn them on or off. You don't see the fixture, it's inside. Okay, like always,